Okay, here's another one of those mistakes. You're gonna start pulling, and if you end up with this very bowed edges, one, you're not gonna be able to see some of your threads. Like right here, you're not gonna be able to see the separation of these threads, and it's gonna start messing up your stitches. Also, you're gonna have a hard time going straight across because the bowing here is gonna cause the thread to wanna, the warp to want you to weave at a bow up here as well. So what if you're finding that this is happening, what I'd like you to do is just go straight across. You're gonna have a little space in between, which is fine, but I'd rather that than you have the problem of this whole thing starting to bow. So watch here and you'll see, you're just gonna go straight across. And instead of pushing your threads up, I have a little bit of a problem right here. Okay. Instead of pushing your threads up, you're gonna just leave that as a line. And then you're gonna continue your weaving. Try not to pull again. Try to keep it as loose as you can so it's just touching but it's not pulling. And you're going to continue your weave, and you're going to have a little space in there, and we're actually going to consider that as part of the artwork. You can always go in and thread some stuff through there, but don't start pulling again. Pull it out and just continue. And you want these threads now just to kind of be pushed together. You're just not going to push them all the way up. So see how you now have another kind of little design in your work.